I'm doing this presentation in the morning times. I would like to say good morning, teacher, and welcome to my final exam presentations. I have picked up a point from our chapter, from our books, that is in the introduction to competitive public policy. And here I have picked up a point where it's talk about why compare public policy. So according to our books by Dots here, there are 4 reasons to compare public policy. The first point is to help us understand and explain why the same policy have implemented, but having different outcome. So when we first heard about the word compare public policy, we would think of comparing the same policy, certain policy, with 2 or more different nations, usually two different nations. We have to understand the different outcome why we implemented the same policy with that nation, but why do we receive less outcome and not effectively like what they have done, like what they have implemented. So this is the first reason to compare the public policy. And the second point is to import mirror. Import mirror here refer to reflecting our policy with other policy to see, especially to see our weakness, our mistake, so that we could correct it and we could do it better. And also, we should or should not follow their step to implement the policy. The third point, dealing domestic problem. Dealing domestic problem here, which means we take the other 2 points above. We already see the difference between the outcome. We already do the import mirror. So after that, we could use it to deal with our domestic problem when we compare the policy. We could see their mistake. Okay, we could see the other nation policy implemented mistake, and we could take it to correct and to avoid mistake when implementing our own policy, the same policy. The last point, the fourth point, also the last point, is about learning and sharing. Yes, when we successfully implemented our policy, somehow I can say effectively, we could share it. We could share this experience with our next generation, and as well as other country that want to come to study from us, like in during Sangkum Diniyum time, some government like Singapore came to study from us. So this is why we compare policy. There are 4 points here I have presented you. I hope you enjoy the presentation, and thank you for watching.